Well, I created
So,
this
uh,
MIDI, right? I made it
how?
with this tool called Sting. You can download online. It's free. And then
Mm-hmm.
I sent it through a scale, and then it goes to the bass. And this is a randomizer. And this
So
randomizer
simple.
is creating a completely random sound every single time. So nobody will ever have
Mm-hmm.
the same bass line as me. Bass line, and I print it into a MIDI, a different MIDI track by taking this, and then I take it in by selecting in
Mm-hmm.
and selecting that track. So I'm recording what this is doing into this track.
Mm-hmm.
And so Sting it may just look like one thing on this, but it actually is taking this and turns it into this. And then once it's turned into this, I can manipulate it to what I want. To maybe I want this.